I was very nervous when I decided to join Senior Helpers because I never worked in the US. I wanted a company that supports me, and corporate team here at Senior Helpers always there. That gave me confidence that I can do it.
We want to make sure that new franchisees get all the support and help that they're going to need in order to open their business. It starts the first day they've signed their franchise agreement.
Right from the beginning, I have my franchise support staff who have been there every step of the way.
The training department is assigning them courses, so they're really beginning to learn the Senior Helpers way of running the business. So when they do come to Baltimore and they do come for that 6-day training process, they can hit the ground running.
All Senior Helpers owners have to have a center of excellence, a specialized training facility.
We create a very realistic space with a real bed and clutter. We train our caregivers on the different skills that they're going to need in order to be able to support their clients. We have ongoing training and support every month. You learn about anything you're going to need in order to really operate a Senior Helpers business successfully.
They're connecting us together as owners so that we work together to celebrate our successes and spur each other on to better results.
We still coach franchisees even who've been in the system for 16 years. We're with you every step of the way.